Okay, so we're back with the Dovetail Box. I've got the base and I've made it as flat and smooth as I can be bothered to. Bearing in mind it's a pretty rustic box. Rustic's my favourite word because it just excuses all the slightly rough edges. But that's okay, it's just for practice, isn't it? And I've rounded the corners off by just sliding the plane along at different angles. So that was not too difficult, although it's gone a little bit wonky there. But it's okay, looks nice. It's pretty flat, so if I show you there, that's pretty flat, isn't it? Perhaps a little bit high there. Now what I've got to do is stick this on, like that. So I'm just going to eyeball it. I think it doesn't really matter. I'm not that fussed about it, really. That's pretty good. Excuse my snotty nose. Up a bit more, perhaps. Oh. There, about there. I'm going to mark inside where the corners are. So that then I can glue it and then I guess clamp it. So let's get some glue on and get it clamped. And then that'll dry and then that'll be a little sort of box thing. So glue there, got the little spreader I like to use. The nozzle of this bottle gummed up a long time ago. I couldn't get it out anyway. The glue, it never wanted to come out. And it's a bit old and it's a bit dry, and anyway, we can cope, it's fine, it's fine. Probably the box isn't completely straight either. Accuracy is difficult, I'm finding. Getting things perfect is very tricky. Ooh. I just had a thought. If I put loads of glue on like you normally would, it's all going to be inside, and if it's inside, well, it's all going to be everywhere and I'm not going to be able to clean it up. Maybe I should just put a bit down the middle. Like a bead. Because if it squirts out the sides of the joint, which, you know, normally you want that when you're like laminating two bits of wood. If any squeeze through, I'm going to have to just get my fingers in there and get it sorted. Right, that'll do. That will do. Back over. 1, 2, 3. Oh, can't find it there. Oh god, there it is, miles off. Right, that's where I had it. I'm going to need some little bits of wood, aren't I, to protect it. I've got 4 of these little clamps, so they will do. So I can go let's do it that way. 1. So underneath I'm not too worried about, decided. 1. And oh, where do we have the clamp? It's over here. You see that all right? Oh, putting this up the wrong way. Doofus. There we go. Right, they're good. Now these ones have got soft rubbery bits and they don't pull as hard, so it's possible that I can just put these straight on. Ooh. This is awkward. It slid a bit now, it's in the right place. And then this one, these clamps aren't very good. Again, an early purchase. These black ones, not great. They tend to release by themselves after a while. But there we go. Okay, that's all clamped up. That'll do. It's a box, even if it just sits on my bench and I can just shove things in so they don't get lost. That's something, isn't it? That's something. I've made something. Happy. I think what I'll do is yeah, I'm going to clean the glue up actually right now. But yes, so anyway, thank you for watching. Again, really open to advice, things I can do to get better. What you should have done is this, mate. If you'd have done this, then it would have been better. You know, that kind of thing. Really happy to hear about that. I'm happy to answer any questions. But you know, you'd only be getting my opinion. I'm not an expert by any means. Not even close. Very much a novice. Anyway, if you have been, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, etc, etc. Cheers, bye.